Removing the hard drive of an Apple MacBook Pro model A1286. You'll find model details for the Mac along here, model number and serial number. The model number will start with an A. First we remove the back cover. I'm using a J00 screwdriver, and you basically just need to remove all the screws on the back as follows. Don't need any special tools to lift the back cover off, it just simply pops up. Drive's located here. There are a couple of additional screws to remove. Drive just comes straight out of this. The connector for the drive that connects the drive to the motherboard follows through here. Just disconnect this here. And that's the drive. These screws here, if you're replacing the drive, you'll need to remove these. Install the new drive basically the same way. I'd recommend replacing it with a solid state drive just to make your MacBook a bit faster. And then it's just a case of reinstalling the drive and screws back into place, putting the back cover on and reinstalling the operating system. Quite a simple job, should only take you about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.